Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making both devices ready. Put AirPods 4 into pairing mode by opening the case and holding the button until the LED flashes. On Windows 11, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Once done, keep your AirPods within a few meters of the PC and confirm both have adequate charge. This prevents dropped pairing attempts and speeds discovery, so the system can find the earbuds quickly. Next, you perform the actual pairing. In Bluetooth and Devices, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Windows will scan. When you see your AirPods 4 in the list, tap their name to connect. Make sure you hold the case lid open until Windows reports connecting, because closing it may abort discovery. The system may automatically install drivers and set AirPods as the default audio. Let that finish, and then test playback to confirm both audio. Finally, you finalize settings and handle common issues. Open sound settings to choose AirPods 4 for output and input so apps use them. If audio fails, first disconnect and remove the device from Bluetooth, then repeat pairing. Often a fresh pair resolves handoff glitches. If problems persist, update your PC's Bluetooth drivers and restart Windows, because driver or stack errors are the typical reason pairings fail. One troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on and off to
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.